What's up guys, it's Sonya and welcome to my fridge. I just got back from grocery shopping and I wanted to share with you what's in my vegan fridge. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this top shelf. Sorry, I kind of put everything away a little not neat, but I have some baby spinach that I like to put in my salads, or I just put this in some pasta or tofu eggs. So this really comes in handy. I love baby spinach. And then I have some organic whole carrots. And then up here is where I put all of my like vegetables that I already cut up and stuff. Here is my deodorant. I use lemon for a natural deodorant.
Lemon, there we go. Yep, that's what the hell.
And then we have some vegan cheese and some disgusting lime that I should probably throw out. Okay, moving on. Here's some corn that's open. I think we opened that last night, and some tomato paste. And then down here we have some vegan sweetbread that my aunt made us. I have some whole lettuce, whole red organic lettuce. Oops, sorry. Here we go. We have the whole red organic lettuce. We got some tofu. And these are my favorite cherries. These are so good. They're the Rainer cherries. And I got some parsley because I'm gonna make some falafels. If you haven't seen my recipe on how to make falafels, then go ahead and check out my What I Eat in a Day Vegan Edition video, and that recipe is in there. Okay, moving on. We got buy one get one strawberries. I love these. I'm gonna cut these up and then put them in a bowl to make them just a lot easier for me to eat. And then we got some raspberries, we got some blueberries back here, cherry tomatoes, hummus. Sure, just forget about me, the applesauce. You know, a childhood favorite. And I picked up some awesome... Oh, okay, just block me then. I see that you've moved on to your vegan yogurts. You know, I'm vegan too. Vegan yogurts. This one's so delicious. I usually get the peach one, but that one was out. But my boyfriend loves the strawberry. I remember when he used to love me, but now I just sit here in the corner of the fridge for however long. So I got strawberry, and I never tried their key lime one, so I want to try that. And I love these little mini Sabra hummus packs. These really come in handy a lot, especially if you don't want to like open up a big hummus like this one. And my rainbow baby carrots, I'm obsessed with these. These are so yummy. I think they're a lot sweeter than just like the orange ones, so I highly recommend the rainbow carrots. They're really good. Okay, down here we love mushrooms. We eat a lot of mushrooms. We got some juices. These are my favorite juices. Sorry, the fridge is a little dirty, but this one's so good. It's the Simply Lemonade, blueberry lemonade, and then regular lemonade. And then we have our vegan milks. This one is by Bolt House Farms, and it is a pea protein milk. It's so good. I get the original one, and then this one is our coffee creamer. So if you guys are looking for a vegan coffee creamer, I definitely recommend this one. It's just so good. It come in like 3 other flavors, but the French vanilla is my go-to just because it's my security blanket. But they do have a caramel one, and I really want to try that. So if you guys have tried the caramel so delicious coffee creamer, let me know in the comments down below. We have a ton of beer because my boyfriend trades craft beer and stuff. And we got some pickles. These are, what is this? Oh, this is red sauce. And then these are mild pepper rings, so you put this like in your pasta. I haven't done it yet, obviously, because I haven't opened it. Some of the stuff that's in the fridge has been in here, obviously, because I just went shopping today, so there's like leftover stuff in the fridge that I didn't buy today, but whatever, I'm still showing you. Up here, I love having all of my like vegetables on display because I just like to see what I have. So I always get a ton of tomatoes. We got some green onions. We got oranges down here. Oh, okay. Just leave us out too. You know, lemon and lime. Just skip over us just like you did applesauce. Now we know how you feel, applesauce. What, are we just too tart? Did that moldy lime turn you off? Okay. We have some zucchinis, we got plum tomatoes, cucumber, and these are like the best peaches in the whole entire world. They're so good. I don't really know what they're called though. Oh, white nectarine. There we go. Focus. White nectarine. Moving on down to the condiments area. Condiments. We have this Just Ranch, and oh my god, this is vegan ranch. It's so freaking good. And then the Chipotle mayo is even better. So these two are definitely my like top fave condiments. Condiments, yeah. And then we have some vegan mayo by Hellmann's. I was gonna say Heinz. We got vegan mayo by Hellmann's. So yes, there is vegan mayo and it tastes exactly the same. We got some ketchup, we got pickles, Dijon mustard, sesame ginger dressing. I don't really like eat too much salad dressings really. And then we got peaches, olives, Italian dressing. This is vegan. For those of you that can't find a vegan Italian dressing, I know one of my friends, they couldn't find it, but this one is vegan. It doesn't have the Parmesan cheese or cheese in it in general. So the Wishbone Italian is hella good. Below here, we just have some more condiments. Condiments. I don't know what it is about saying condiments, but it's fun. Condiments. You know, just pickles, peaches, jalapeno peppers. And then here we got some broccoli, organic broccoli. We got cabbage that I'm gonna make a sauerkraut, homemade sauerkraut with. And then down here we have our peppers. I'm sorry, it's like dirty, but really, how often do you clean your refrigerator? I mean, let's be real. Okay, so this part is not the fridge. It's actually my kitchen table where we eat dinner. But this is where we put all of our produce that needs to like not go in the fridge. So let me show you. They had lychees, so I picked up a few of these and I'm super excited to try these because these are in season in Hawaii, I think. Hello. My boyfriend's home. And we got some organic bananas. Then I picked up this lemon drop melon. It's supposed to be like sweet and sour, so thank you Patrick and Devin for recommending this. I am super excited to try this. Then we have some mangoes over here, some avocados because you gotta get in your good healthy fats, and I love avocados on everything. Then we have some Yukon Gold potatoes and some red onions, garlic, and some yellow onions, and then a russet potato. Oh, and then these are cherry tomatoes from our cherry tomato plant. So those are the things that are in my vegan fridge slash kitchen table. If you guys liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you want a pantry tour, like what's in my pantry, then let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SonyaBlade if you're not following me already. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.